Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This week we're going to be in the kitchen and we're going to be cooking a pizza bread. Now if you don't know what pizza bread is, it's basically dough, sausage, ground meat, cheese, whatever you want in it. And you just mix all this stuff together, you let it rise and you bake it off. Alright, so what we got here is all of our ingredients for this pizza bread. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna need water, and your water has to be between 110, 120-ish degrees. You want it to be fairly warm. That's gonna activate the yeast, mixed with the sugar and everything to get everything rolling. So let's get that first. Alright, first thing, you'll put that warm water that I was talking about. 2 cups of water. Alright, then you're going to put 2 1/4 tablespoons of yeast. We'll kind of whisk that in there real good. Sugar. Gives that yeast something to feed on. Alright, this is what it looks like. Rising pretty good. So now we're going to add our salt. This is a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Put that in there. Mix that in. Then a 1/2 cup oil. And then we have 6.5 cups of flour. Put that in there. Try to be easy, you don't want it going everywhere. Voila. Now we're gonna mix it. Definitely don't want to crank this up to a 10 right off the bat. It will paint the ceilings, you, and everything around you within probably 8 feet. Start off slow. Now what you're going to do is you're going to let this sit to the side and rise. I like to spray my pan a little bit, or my bowl, sorry, just so it makes it a little easier when you go take it out. It's not all sticking to it. piece of it. I'm just going to spray the top of it lightly just so it dry out and cover it. And then I'm going to stick this in a warm spot. You don't want it too hot, just warm. So warm, you'll have heat come out from the oven through right here. So it's just enough to keep it warm. But just in case it's too warm, I don't want it sitting directly on that metal plate. So let's just do that one. I'll set it there. And we'll let it rise. Something that makes your life easier in the kitchen is a sharp knife. Gotta have a sharp knife. Alright, what we got here is jalapeno sausage. This is some good stuff here. Being it's jalapeno sausage, I want the jalapeno to be more spread out throughout the bread, not just a big chunk here and a big chunk there. So we're going to cut it up into small pieces. Good stuff, yeah. All right, this is your dough. It's rolled pretty good. And we're gonna take this out. We're gonna put it on the table. You don't have to spray it. I'm gonna spray it anyway. This is gonna be a mess that you're gonna have to clean up after you're done. But it is what it is. That comes out here real nice. All of it. Nothing stuck. Thank you, Pam. Alright, at this point you can kind of spread it out if you want. Take your sausage and put it in there. Like I said, you can use as much sausage as you want. I could have used a little more, but I want to save some of that sausage for something else. Cheese. Put most of it. I'll save a little bit for the top. Now, you don't want to put too much of this, so you can always add if you need to. And if you do put too much, you can always put a little bit more flour. Kind of thicken things back up a little bit. Now, I don't have what you call a dough cutter. It makes this a lot easier. So we're just gonna get nasty with it. Use my hands, maybe this right here, just to kind of cut it up a little bit. Let's see. Cut my dough into smaller pieces there. And then we're gonna get nasty with it. just look beautiful. And that's basically what you're looking for. I'm gonna try this pan here. Make sure you spray it. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we're gonna spread it out in this pan and kind of see how thick it is. I may take some of it and put it in a little loaf pan or something just so it ain't too much for this pan. Alright. All you're gonna do, basically spread it out about the length of the pan. About like that. And then you're just gonna transfer it into the pan. And smash it out. The way this is looking, it's gonna... Alright, now we're gonna take the remaining of the cheese here and just sprinkle that on top. And now we're going to take this, we're going to put it in the oven. The oven is still on warm right now. I'm going to let this rise a little bit before I crank up the heat. And when I do crank up the heat, I'm going to take it out, let it heat up to 325, and I'll stick it back in. Alright, this is what it looks like. Now, it's been a while since I've made this, so I should have put, I went against my gut, I should have put this in 2 pans, but it didn't. So it kind of swelled up real big like, but it still come out alright. I could have used more sausage, but I was trying to be conservative with the sausage because I wanted to use the sausage for something else. I didn't want to use it all for the bread. But this is what it looks like. Come out pretty good. Bye now, we're gonna go enjoy this. Yum yum.